Team Fullest. Today is Monday. Let's get ready for work with what I have in my closet. A new week has just begun. The weather is so beautiful outside. We're having a nice weather this week. So, yeah, it's going to be a fantastic week. I pray so. So, this is the basic clear. I'm going to wear this dress. I've wear this once. Like, I'm kind of like cleaning out my wardrobe, certain things that I've wear since I've been doing this challenge of getting ready with me for work, with what I have in my closet. Certain outfit that I don't like anymore. And I'm like, okay, this doesn't really suit me, and I want to get rid of it. But I also want to give it a try again. This is this dress. This dress is so old, and I'm not really a fan of it anymore. But I want to also give it a try for the second time because I don't wear this stuff that much. So I wear it first. I wear it once on a video, and I thought, you know what? Let me give it a try today again, and then see how I feel about it. And if it's something that I really need to get rid of, I'm getting rid of. Because one thing about starting this challenge is that I am gradually discovering my style, discovering the things I like. My everyday style is something that I haven't perfect yet. I haven't got like the perfect dress that I like to have every single day. When it comes to going out, when it comes to like hanging out with friends, or going for church, or going for events, I know how I like to look, because every event has a different way of dressing, depends on the program, the occasion. But every day, I'm trying to figure it out, and also have a lot of stuff in my wardrobe that I am trying also to get rid of because I'm like, yeah, this is not really my style, and this dress is one of it. It's nothing bad, but I'm like, I don't wear this that often, and I'm thinking of getting rid of it. Maybe also the way I style it the first time with the with the white shirt, and it looks bucky, looks kind of weird. I didn't like it, but wearing it like this today, I actually kind of like it. I have to start going. I have to start exercising because my stomach is full, but it's also the time of the month, so of course it's a bit bulkier. And yeah, I kind of like it with this, like with this styling with this black, because I'm going to work. I cannot expose. I can't take this black off, but I just don't like it. So styling it with this black and like this, I kind of like it. The last time I wear this dress, I didn't like it at all. With the white shirt, it looks kind of bulky. It didn't look good. I wasn't feeling it. But styling like this, I don't mind. Like this, it looks good. Okay, and that's one thing about styling. You gotta try different things and to find your own style. I'm not a fashionista. I'm just wearing what I have in my closet and try to find um, a style that works for me perfectly. I know definitely by the end of this year, after doing done with this challenge, because this challenge is something that I actually intend to do for the rest of the year and show you guys how I dress to work. And I'm trying to find a balance in between to also do other videos that I genuinely love to do. Now I'm just focusing on get ready with me for work with what I have in my closet, and I've not done like other videos that I like to do, and that's something I'm trying to find like the perfect balance for. But for now, at least this one also helps me with building up my consistency, because if I'm gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna make other videos, I don't do this, but this one helps me with building up my consistency and also showing up every single day. And I'm really trying hard to find like a perfect balance in between to also post the other videos that I like doing, other videos that I love doing. I do have some makeup some foundation I picked up, and I really want to also do a demo and review for you guys, and also do my makeup using that foundation. There are a lot of videos I want to do, but I cannot find the perfect balance, and I also don't want to take a break and then come back. So for me, like this challenge is also helping me to be consistent, and at the same time giving me the chance to find the perfect balance. At least I'm still showing up, even though I'm not doing everything that I want to do. But most important thing, I'm still showing up. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah. So yeah, the boots I'm gonna wear, I like it. I like it. Like this one, It looks good. I like it. And this is the hair that I'm going to be wearing for this week because I have so much wig lying down um, in my bathroom, and I don't get to wear those wigs. I don't get to wear them. I get to wear the same wig all the time. So now I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna take out every week. I'm gonna take out one wig. I'm gonna wear that wig for the entire week, and then so I rotate. I rotate the wigs because what's the need of buying something and you're not wearing it? It doesn't make sense. So yeah, like I have so many things. I have so many things I need to do in my life. I need to put my life in order. I need to put my life in structures, and it's challenging. So it's a bit challenging. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit challenging because I'm like sometimes it's so easy. I'm like, okay, this wig is here. Let me just wear this one, and I have so much wig. I have a drawer full of wigs, and I'm not wearing them. So now I'm like, every single week, I'm going to take out a new wig. I'm going to wear that wig for the rest of the week, whether it's now lace front or glueless. I'm just going to try to rotate and wear a new wig every single week. So at least I get to wear all my wig. I get to wear everything, not just buying stuff and just having it lying down and be doing watch me or watch you. It doesn't make sense anymore. Now I'm not buying anything. I'm not buying any wig, any things anymore. So I'm going to wear everything I have. So yeah, this outfit looks good. I like this one. Today I'm kind of feeling this one. I feel like the first time I wear this outfit, I think that the way I styled it kind of turned me off. That's the reason why I was like, last night I was like, let me give this outfit one more try. Let me just style it in a different way to see if I will love it. Let me just give it one more try. I want to push this on front. Yes. Let me just give it one more try to see if I will love it. And honestly speaking, I like it. I like it like this. I think the first one just turned me off. I like it. What do you guys think? Do I look cute? Do I look cute? I look cute. It looks beautiful. Team Fullest. Thank you guys so much. I don't have time. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. En heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Ik waardeer het echt. Team Fullest. Hope ik jullie zo snel mogelijk zien. Hope to see you guys very soon. Peace out. Bye.